Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below. And once hitting the red subscribe button, please do make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be running through some of my most worn jewellery pieces. So these are the pieces that I reach for most often, on a regular basis, every day, some of them. And in there's going to be, so I've got some Dior, I've got some Missoma, I've got some, what else have I got? Vivienne Westwood, Tiffany, a few other pieces as well. So what I'm going to do is I will show you close-ups of these. And what I've also done is grabbed a couple pieces that I don't wear regularly at the moment, but I want to start pulling out on a more regular basis because there are some beautiful pieces. Now, when I was kind of pulling these together, I thought, oh, there's only a few. No, there's quite a few actually. So I will run through these as quickly as humanly possible. Any links for anything that I can find will be in the description box below. If you've got any questions on anything, please do leave them in the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's get on with the first item. So the first piece is this necklace from Missoma. Now I've had this necklace, as I said, there will be close-ups, but I've had this necklace for easily 3 years now. It's not gold. I think they do, is it vermeil, gold vermeil, so it's like sterling silver underneath, and then obviously it's coated in gold. Now it has not tarnished, it does not change colour. It shines, it's absolutely beautiful. It's something that I literally have to remember to take off because I just leave it on. It just goes with everything. The way that you can actually add a charm to it. So if you wanted to add a pendant to it, I could. I haven't as yet because I do just kind of like it as is, but maybe one day I will actually add a pendant, or maybe in the next Black Friday sale I'll pick myself up a pendant. But I absolutely love this. It's just really simple. As I say, goes with everything. You know, smart, cash, dressy up. You can't win, you can't lose with it. And as I say, it's well worth its money. So I always tend to wait for the Black Friday sales before I pick up anything from Missoma because they are quite a little bit expensive. But as I say, because this was my first piece. And next we have these earrings. Now you're not going to be able to see these. These are tiny. You might be able to see them. These are a pair of Dior like drop earrings. Now these earrings, I am not exaggerating when I say I have to have had these for over 20 years. I have to have. My sister bought me these many years ago before I had my daughter. My daughter's 25 now. So before I had her, she bought me these as a birthday gift from, I think it was what used to be called Kendall's, but now it's called House of Fraser in Manchester. And as you can see, these are in excellent condition. They've not tarnished, nothing. I reach for these on a regular basis. I just love the simplicity of them. You know, obviously it's got the Dior little symbol on there, which is really nice. Yeah, even when I remind her of this, she don't actually remember me buying me these. That's how long ago she bought me them. But I absolutely adore them, and I'm glad they've kind of held up and you know, stayed the test of time. So even though it's not a precious metal, because I don't believe it to be a precious metal, because I don't think it was that expensive, but the quality obviously has lasted many years. And I rarely clean them, but you know, I've not got my little duster out or anything like that. But I absolutely love these. One of my favourites, and obviously sentimental because my sister bought them for me, even though she don't remember. Well, what can I say? And then sticking with another pair of earrings, I have these, what they're called, Vivienne Westwood little earrings here. So these I bought again years and years ago. I can't remember. Where was I working? I can't remember. I'm trying to remember where I was working when I bought these. I bought these, and I've got another pair with the red heart on them. These ones I tend to gravitate to more. I like these because they're a little bit of a bling if you've got a plain outfit on. It kind of just gives you a little extra for your look. So I really do love these. Again, these have worn really well. They do have stones in them. None of the I was about to say none of the stones have come out, but I think one may have. Okay, I've had them for quite a long time, but it's not noticeable because I didn't even notice until just looking at them then. But yeah, so these have lasted a really long time, really good condition. I'd say wear them on a regular basis. And sometimes people kind of stop me a lot of the time and like, oh, your earrings are really nice. And sometimes I really do forget. Sometimes I'm like, what? All right. And I forget what earrings are. They're really comfortable as well. Maybe that's why I forget that I've got them in, because they're a really comfortable earring. But yeah, so these are my Vivienne Westwoods. Yeah, as I say, I've got another pair of Vivienne Westwoods. I think I've got number 2. Oh yeah, I've got a gift for Christmas as well, which I've not worn yet. I need to wear them. But yeah, there's these Vivienne Westwoods. And then another pair of earrings. I do have other things in earrings, but it's just what I'm reaching for at the minute. These are my Tiffany Heart earrings. Again, you're not even going to be able to say, but these are my Tiffany Heart earrings. Now, stories with these. I bought these when I was in New York, probably over 10 years ago. And when I was working in Glasgow, I had them with me in Glasgow, and I swear blind, I put them and packed them with me when I was coming back. However, could I find them? The answer is no. So I was gutted, and I had to go and repurchase them. Now, they're a lot more expensive than when I bought them in New York, let's just put it that way. But again, they are such a simple statement earring. Simple statement? I just think that they're a really classic piece, and when I did have them, I did reach for them on a regular basis, so I wanted just to kind of put them back in my collection. And again, they're just a beautiful earring. If you're after anything from Tiffany, you know, and you might not think I've not got a Tiffany one, of these are kind of a nice introductory price. They're not too expensive, but at the same time they're not dirt cheap, but they're a good quality silver as well. So no irritation, wears well, comfortable, all those shenanigans, you know, all those shenanigans. So yeah, love these. Right, so I'm going to take us away from earrings now, because I do have another couple of pairs of earrings, but I'm gonna step away from earrings. This is a little bracelet bangle that I picked up from Tory Burch. Now, this is a similar style. Obviously to the Cartier, is it Cartier bracelet? Now, I don't have Cartier money, and I've been trying to get a Cartier bracelet as a gift. It's not materialized as yet, so until that time comes, or it might not come, but we'll see. I picked up this Tory Burch bracelet because I just like the look of it. You know, would I love a Cartier one? Yes, it's Cartier. Not going to say it a lie, but I feel like for me it's not necessarily the brand, it's the look that I really like. So for the time being, I think this is a nice alternative. Again, I will leave a link to this in the description box if you are interested in it. It was a decent price. If it was over 70 quid, I'd be surprised. I don't think it was, but I can't remember because I've had this a little while now. So yeah, I love it. I'm trying to get my little stack together, but I need to kind of get a few more bracelets to make sure I have I feel like I want to get like a standard one, so one that I just reach for all the time. You know what I mean? Rather than chopping and changing, I just reach for it, and it, you know, it looks the mum all the time. That's kind of what I'm after. So yeah, I'll keep this on. Why not? Yeah, keep that on. Yeah, Tory Burch. Right. So next we have another one from Dior. Now this is something I picked up probably about a year and a half ago. I've worn it a couple of times. I mean, I should wear it a little bit more. I wore it once to work a few weeks ago, and I felt like, don't get me wrong, I'm trying to, like, you know, use my nice things for work as well, but I felt like it was so bling. I felt like it was a little too much, but you know, who knows. So basically it's the CD Choker. I absolutely love this. Now, I picked this up from was it eBay? Yeah, I think it was eBay. Like I said, a couple of years ago. Oh, look at it. I'm gonna put it on. Can I put it on my neck? Yeah, let me put it on so you can see. Look at that. Tell me that I don't look like the shit. Look at it. Look at it. You know what? I feel like you have to have it a certain tightness for it to not like fold over, but that'll do for now. Yeah, does that look alright? Tell me in the comments. Because I can hear you. No. But yeah, so that's, oh, look at it. So nice. Absolutely love it. I do need to wear it more. This is one of the items that I said to you I have here that I feel like I need to wear more, and this is definitely one of them that I need to reach for. So this is, as I say, the Christian Dior CD Choker. And then I've got a couple pairs of the, these are another love of mine. I do want some more of these. I'm so extra. I am so extra, but I don't care. So these are the Dior tribal earrings. I love these. I love the colour combination with the gold and the silver. I love the size. You can get smaller sizes, but I want you to be able to see them. If I was going to be paying a little change for them, I want you to be able to see them. I'm not being funny, but I'm just being real with y'all. So yeah, so these are them. They look beautiful in the ear. Oh, love. Again, I feel like these are something that I kind of gravitate to when I kind of want to edge it up a little bit, but not too much. Or at the same time, if I, let's say it's something like now, because I've got my hair came rolled back, these would look really nice. Again, I don't necessarily always have to have a hoop, but I like something to kind of pop. Pop. And then I do have a smaller pair of the Dior ones, and these ones have got a star and a moon on. They're really small, these ones, and they've got like diamonds on, but they're a beautiful little earring. I got these as a gift a few years ago. Went to, I think it's Bicester Village actually. Yeah, so I love these, and I will always love these. So yeah, that's them. And then next we have only a couple more pieces, guys. These earrings are from Astrid and Mayu. I always kind of feel like I butcher that name. And these are just like a little wing diamond thing. I like to wear these. I have 3 piercings on my lobe, and I like to wear this on the top one. As I wear it on the top one, it looks like it's got more piercings going up the ear, which I would love more piercings up the ear. I might do that, you know. Is that extra? Is it? Tell me. I mean, I love a piercing. I love a piercing. I'm so tempted. I want to get, I mean, I'm digressing here, but I've not been on for ages, so I want to get like my front here pierced, and I want to get the top pierced here. And I'm thinking I might just see how far up in the ear I can go. I just got really tiny ears, so I feel like it might just look a bit odd, but at the same time, you know what I mean, do what I want to do, innit? Who's going to tell me I can't? Sure. Anyway, so these, I love these. Love them. As I say, just a nice little piece of bling. Nothing too extra. Gives a nice little, interest to the ear. And I wear these quite a lot, the Astrid and Mayu. And again, I kind of tend to get these when they have a sale on. So like the Black Friday sales, when they have discounts on, that's when I kind of tend to, you know, gravitate to there, because I won't say their stuff's dirt cheap, but at the same time it's not mega expensive. I would say it's kind of somewhere in between. So yeah, but it's really nice stuff. Couple of pieces. So the last couple of pieces are kind of what I want to start wearing. So kind of on the vein of me wanting to start out my arm candy. I have 2 bracelets from, what's she called? What do they call again? Tiffany's. One's got a pendant on and one's got a plaque on. So I want these. I've not worn them for the longest time. They are a bit tarnished. I do need to clean them to get some of the thingamajig off. And I just thought that, again, they'd look really nice, wouldn't they? Wouldn't they? Do you not think? Don't you think? I think so. See what I mean? I feel like this is what I'm going to do. And then like this chain that I've got here, this is from All Saints, and this is relatively new. But what I liked about this, again, I'm all over the place, but I don't care. I've got this chain and it's got gold and silver on, so I feel like that's a nice kind of segue into where, you know, mixing metals. I feel like back in the day you couldn't mix your metals, but now I feel like it don't matter, you can mix what you want. So I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna give these a bit of a clean, and I'm gonna add these to my arm candy. I think it'll look smashing, so I'm gonna do that. So as I say, give them a clean, get them on my wrist and start wearing them a bit more. I feel like they're just wasted in the drawer when, you know, wear them, Anthea. Wear them. And then this, I did a video a little while ago. I will leave a link to that in the description box where I did a little bit of a haul. I think this was included. And however old that video is, it's been probably last year, I still haven't worn this necklace. This was another Monroe Steel purchase, because I saw her with it. She got it gifted, I think, from them. Clearly I didn't, but I saw it. I thought, oh, that's so nice. And I went and purchased this. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I need to wear it more. Need to. I feel like, again, I want a big kind of layering, because I feel like what would it look like with this on? because I don't think I've ever even put it around my neck. I'm not even joking when I say I don't think I put it around my neck. But let's see. So if will it be too much? Oh no, see, I don't think it would be too much. I feel like it's super cool. But now you get this on. Is it too much if I got it twisted up now? Okay, there we go. Like with that and that. I can't even see too tough. I'm trying to look in the viewfinder, but I just don't feel like, oh, look at that. Oh, hopefully it doesn't look too crazy. I don't know, but yeah. Look at that. I need to wear it more, man. Look at it. Oh, wow. Yes. Oh, love it. Absolutely love it. It comes with its own little dust bag. But yeah, one of my favorites. Oh, look at that. So, my beautiful people, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As I say, sometimes I feel like these videos help me to remember what I've got and to try and wear and use more of the stuff that I've purchased. As I say, this particular, I've never worn, this is the first time it's actually been around my neck. Like ever, which is crazy. It's just crazy because it's a beautiful necklace. So I do enjoy doing these videos because I say it helps me, you know, just do a bit more with my style. So I hope, like I say, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below which was your favorite, which one you like the most, and also if you've got any questions on anything, please also leave those in the comment section down below. I am gonna leave it here, trying to keep it short and sweet, these outros, because I do waffle, which I'm doing now. But yeah, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. I am trying my darndest to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm not that far away. Consistency is key. I'm doing it for 2024. So help me get there, guys. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you like it if you liked it. Thumbs down if you didn't like it. Either way, love it. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now. See ya.